Hey guys, today we're going to be making some waters for the pigs. I had some already made, but the nipples that are in there aren't working anymore, so we got to replace them. We'll be going to give them to the pigs that we have that were born at the end of August. Put a hole right into here, just put a hinge onto it so we can open it up. That's where we're going to fill everything. Easy to have it, fill it, put it back down, try to keep some of the heat into it. The reason why I want to put the heater in here, why I wrapped it around like this, is I wanted to keep the heater off the ground, off the bottom of it, so it's floating a little bit. It's the reason why I went around it. So the heater's sitting over on this side right here, and I wrapped the cord around here just to keep it about 3 to 4 inches off the ground, off the bottom of the tank here, just in case it decides it wants to try melting anything, which I don't think it will because it's got a heat shield around it. I just want to be a little bit cautious about it. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this, put it outside with the pigs, fill it full of water, hook it in to electric, and we'll be good to go. So all I did, went to the store, got ratchet straps. What we're going to do, we're going to put the water right here in the corner, and we're going to strap it right to just put the ratchet strap right around it to the pole and hold it in there. So if they want to start pushing it or anything else when they get bigger, these guys really can't do a lot with that little one, but you'd be surprised with that 55-gallon drum. But you get enough of them in there, you'd be surprised what they can actually do. So what we're going to do, move everything over here and get it all set up. Alright, now we're going to turn on the water and see what happens. So the reason why we're putting this in here is, as you guys can see, some of the water, with them being so young, they will walk in it, lay in it, get their paws into it, all the mud goes into it, they'll pee in it. It isn't sanitary for them. So the nipple water is like this. They'll bite on it. They'll bite right here. And you'll see it just goes down and lets water come out. Once they get a little bit bigger, we will put a block under it. We'll raise it up. We keep raising it up just so they will, so when they drink, it'll go right down, they'll be at an angle, so it'll go straight down versus having all their water drip out of their mouth and laying on the ground. We are going to finish filling this up and make sure it works. It may take them a little bit to get used to it. Sometimes they go right at it, sometimes they don't. I've heard some people will put a little bit of peanut butter or something on there to get them to bite it, and once they bite it, once you get one trained on it, all the rest of them will go at it just the same. It's just like our feeder over here. After probably about 20 minutes or so, one of them figured it out, and then all the rest of them, now there's no issue, and they all go in and eat right out of it without an issue at all.